Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my new video. So friends, in this video I will show you the token. When you keep it, you will make a lot of money from this token by just keeping. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it so you will get the new crypto tokens information and more from my video. So the name of this token is Tamadoge.io. Tamadoge will list on OKX at 12 p.m. Best on Tuesday 27th of September, 2 days later from now. We are thrilled to announce that you will be able to claim Tamadoge and trade on OKX from Tuesday 27th of September. Stay up to date and on Telegram and Discord. Pre-register on OKX so you can trade Tama as soon as we list. Um, they are saying that make an account on OKX trading app. So when we list our token Tamadoge on OKX, you can trade Tamadoge.io on OKX as soon as they list on OKX exchange. This is the video how to set up an account on OKX. You can watch here, and there telegrams and discord link are also you can join them for new updates of this token. And they are future in partner are CryptoNet, the economic trade inside Bitcoin, Bean Crypto, Bitcoin STM News, BTC, Crypto News, Said by Crypto, and more are their crypto partners. They are saying Tama combines meme coin mass appeal with the increasing popular P2E crypto game format, the next Dogecoin business to community. This is from business to community. And they quoted that Tama combines meme coins and more are here. You can check it. And Crypto News say that one of the most promising cryptocurrency in 2022. Crypto News Bitcoin says that one of the best crypto pieces on the market right now. Bitcoin is. They are saying 100% secure is Tama Doge contract code fully audited by solid proof and shown to be 100% accurate. Stream fully verified by CoinSender Sniper to ensure anti-bug and complete project security. You can also download a white paper from this site. It is downloading. First, I tell you all details of this site. The ecosystem of this site, the newest Doge on the block, Tama Doge token, Tamaverse, Tama Doge pets, Tama Doge game, Tama Doge leaderboards. Tama Doge is coming out of the gate barking, become one of the biggest hype meme coins of all the time and pushing the boundaries of the play to earn space. In order to provide a game that people will be combining over each other to use, Tama is the gateway token of the Tamaverse, where you will be able to mine, breed, and battle your own Tama Dodge pet in the metaverse. Tama Dodge will give everyone the ability to mine the dogs they want to, and will allow users to breed, train, and battle their Tama Dodge NFTs to top the leaderboard every single month. Over time, the play to earn opportunities will be expanding to include augmented reality experience, allowing you NFT to play with its friend in the Tamaverse. Tamadoge is not just the future of Doge ecosystem; it is the future of play to earn. It is a play to earn game where you can play games and earn money. I open this the white paper of this Tamadoge token. Here you can see that this is the interface of this white paper. Tamadoge introduction is here. You can read all details from here. Table of content abstract, the Tamadoge team, Tamadoge tokenomics, pets, the Tamaverse roadmap, and disclaimer. All details are here. You can check it out. I will put in the description of this white paper in the link. The roadmap of this Tamadoge is quarter 3 22 is going on, and quarter 4 2022, quarter 1 2023, quarter 2 2023, quarter 3 2023, quarter 4 2023. This is the roadmap of the site token Tamadoge. You can check out from here. Meet the team of blockchain, senior blockchain developer Sifmadi Majoli, head of head of the group Carl Dawkins, lead game developer Thomas Seabrook, full stack developer Eric Lamontague, senior interaction designer Neil Ferritro. And read the team Dodge Fight wherever I have already uh, check out you the
token you can check out from here. Powered by a AWS Ethereum MetaMask. Just for joined the Tamadoge army. This is the library of this Tamadoge. They are saying follow on Instagram. There are more links of Instagram, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, YouTube, um, and Reddit also here. And LinkedIn is also here. You can check all. I have already tell you all details of the site. I hope you like the token. I will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.